Right, something a little bit different today. We're going to be having a look at this watch that I've got from KOSPET. It's the M3 Ultra. I also got it with the screen protector, and there should be a steel strap in here as well, like the one on the picture. This is actually the second one, because the first one they sent me silver and I wanted black. The video is going to be a little bit different though. We're going to open it up, have a look now, and then I'm going to wear it for a few weeks, maybe a month, and then carry the video on, just so I can get a real feel for it and give you guys an honest opinion. This is what I'm currently using. This is my Fitbit Versa 3. Not actually had any issues with it, to be honest. I went for the rugged strap with this, but just wanted something a little bit more, I don't know, out there, can do it a little bit more. So we'll have a look and see what we think. So out of the box, we have got the watch face itself. That just comes on its own for now. See if we push that out. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got all the packaging on at the minute, so we'll have a look at that in a second. We have also got, what have we got? We've got the rubber strap. This will be what I'll use day to day. To be honest, I'll use this most of the time. As you can see on the Fitbit, I was using a similar sort of strap, so that's fine. And I'm hoping then this will be a metal strap, hopefully in black, not silver like the last one. Okay, so we've got the charger for it, USB-C, and yeah, the metal strap, and then a tool to take links out. A couple of spare links here if you want it any bigger, and extra little pins. And then we've also got the user manual in the box. I've already got the app downloaded, so we can have a look at that. I'll get all the screen protector on and everything, and we'll have a quick look. Right, I've got the screen protector on. It's gone on pretty well. There's one little air bubble in there. Hopefully that disappears in time, but I'm not too bothered about little things like that. So that's down to myself putting it on. Doing the straps now. I've done one, as you can see. These are interchangeable. So what you do, if you can pick this up, you've got this little bit here. Kind of push that one in first, let it get into the hole, and then you push this little silver bit towards that one again. So you can push it into that top little piece here, and then just close that off so it don't go anywhere, and that is now nice and secure. So we'll get it powered on. I believe is the top right button. It says, oh, there we go. It's coming on, and then we have select your language. So we go for English, and then I have to set up my phone now, so I'll do that, and then I will be back. So I've downloaded the app, signed in and made my account, done a few little things, like I've set my step goal to 11,000, which you can see, and now I want to add a device, pair a device to explore more. So we're going to click on that, click on add. Well, you'd like to think that's the one. So it's connecting now. So it says, I've got it. Oh, yep. Little message has popped up on the watch itself saying pair. So I'll click OK, and that's it, it's paired. So as you can see, I've got the battery at 95%. We can do an upgrade as well. So a lot of things now which you can set up yourself. So obviously you want access to contacts, call history. So I will allow that. So I believe you'll have to do that if you want to make calls from your watch. It's got an update. So we'll see how long this takes in real time. Update now. So it's preparing. If it takes too long, I will kind of fast forward this. So we've got a little percentage on the watch now showing up, a little rocket, 1% updated, 2, 3, so yes, that might take a little while. Just quick though, I just want to point out, I got this off eBay, but from the KOSPET store. I think I paid about £110, and that was for the watch, the strap and the screen protector all together. With it being around Black Friday when I picked it up, it was quite a good deal. Like I said, they did send me the silver one at first, had to send that back, got the black one, and now hopefully we are all sorted. So I've paid for this out of my own money. I've not been sent it. A very, very honest review. I'm not going to start going out my way and saying it's the best watch in the world, this is what you need to buy. Just an honest review of what I think. Like I say, I'll use it for a couple of weeks now, for a month maybe, and let you guys know what I think. Right, so while the watch is updating, as you can see, it's on 60%. Just going to mention a couple of the specs that it kind of shows off about. So it's military grade, drop tested, Gorilla Glass, and certified IP69K and 5 ATM, high pressure, water resistant. I just feel like every video will go on about the specs, tell you how good it is, how amazing it is, what it can do. I'm more breaking it down as a simple everyday use watch. I do a lot of work with like tools, so there's a lot of dust, mud, water. I'm more interested in that side of it, just a real day-to-day use watch, and just to see how it holds up, if it's comfortable, how it works with the phone and the app. Little things like that are more important to me than just all the branding telling me this is what it can and can't do. So watch is on, all updated now. You've got the 4 buttons. As you can see there, we've got up and down on the left, and on the right we have got back and select. As I said earlier, what I was going to do is do kind of pause the video as such and then come back to it, but I think I'm going to make a separate video because there's that much with this watch. I think once we've used it for a month or so, we can have a dive in and kind of have a proper look at it. But a few little quick things for now. Swipe from the left, you've got your notifications, then you have to kind of swipe back off it. Swipe down, you've got your settings, like your quick settings here, a few of them. So you've got your percentage, raise to wake. So if we turn that back on, we'll let the screen go off a minute. The idea with that is if it's on your wrist, you'd look up and it comes back on. You've got flashlight, which is basically a bright light, looks pretty good. Turn it off again. I think you can press your back button there. This one was interesting. A little water ejecting setting. So if you've been in the bath or had a shower, had it on in the rain, it's basically vibrating at the minute to kind of get all the water out of the speaker. And it says to give it a shake to get rid of any of the remaining water. So that's them. Swipe from the right. We've got all of these apps and things, loads of different ones. Again, this will be more in detail in the next video now. So you've got workouts, blood oxygen, stress, music, voice assistant, weather, compass, alarms, timers. Again, your flashlight there, women's health, don't need that. And at the very bottom, you've got settings, which you've got even more. Then you've got your watch faces, your brightness, sound and vibration, themes, all of this stuff. So this is why I'm saying it's going to be another video, guys. Again, not a video to say what it can do in terms of the specs, but more the watch itself. So we'll go back again. And if we swipe from the bottom, you've got all your kind of your quick things, like you've got your heart rate, your blood oxygen, pressure, stress, your weather. I'm not sure if that's actually linked to where I am at the minute because I've not really dived into this. My alarms, sleep. Again, it goes on and on. And again, you can edit these. You've got timers at the bottom which you can adjust. But these are all going to be in the next video, guys. So that's a quick look at the watch. Actually longer than I wanted it to be. But I will wear this now, get used to it, have a play around, and then I will do a follow-up video. If there's anything you want to see in that video, because it's going to be a few weeks, pop it in the comments, and I'll try and make sure to cover it for you. Any advice you can give me, any questions, just pop them in them comments, and I'll try my best to include it. So I hope this has helped, hope you find it useful, and I will catch you in the follow-up video, guys. Thank you for watching.